The apprentice Mina starts at Maple Hollow at first light, learning to read wind shifts and the hens who gossip about worms. A stubborn rooster rebels against the irrigation schedule, crowing at dawn and turning valves, forcing Mina to improvise with buckets. The farmers swap compost tips that double as warm tea for seedlings, while a curious goat offers philosophy. A small triumph arrives when milking goes smoothly, the sheep settle, and a chorus of ducks delivers a perfect quack encore. By dusk, lessons are shared around the table, laughter echoes, and curiosity keeps the season buzzing.